Hello viewers, welcome again to another video of Black Box Trading channel. Today I will discuss wyckoff method. The wyckoff method teaches traders to anticipate market turns. The wyckoff method is an important tool that is used by many successful institutional and professional traders. This method can be applied to any time frame. Dear viewers, stay with this channel to get more effective videos. Please like, subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Wyckoff pattern is always happening 100% of the time and observable on all time frames. Most of the traders lose money because they do not understand this method. When so many traders losing their money, who is taking their money? Where all that money going to? In wyckoff method, there are three phases are happening all the time. What are they? Number 1, accumulation. Number 2, markup. Number 3, distribution. Behind every trade placed in the market, traders believe that they are going to win. Nobody will open a trade if they know they will lose. So markets are belief drivers. Beliefs create demand and price hike. The current and future market price is only a result of the beliefs. Therefore, it is belief that must be analyzed, not price. All of the patterns, indicators, AFL are used to understand this belief. Now we explain these phases on chart. Accumulation. Here we see low volume by smart money or institutional investors. The range is small and price remain in sideways movement. You see here, price goes up and down among moving average lines. There is no divergence of RSI or MACD. Markup. Here price starts to going up. Most of the time it is noticeable. Historical breakouts are occur here or a small movement also. To understand this movement, there are a lot of research. In this phase, increasing institutional volume. Price may hike 2 or 3 times and it may continue year after year. Every trader dreams to catch this rally or enter in this rally very first time. Here all indicators show bullish performance. After significant price hiking, the price lose their strength. Usually in this stage, price reaches historical resistance, Fibonacci resistance level, etc. Good news are coming in this level also. Institutional traders, smart money may start taking their profit in this level. Today, here I show you Rupali Bank. After completing this accumulation phase, here we see the breakout. But lackness of volume, it fails to start rally. Seems institutional buyers are not interested at this moment, so it may remain again in accumulation phase. If any one of you has taken entry in this script, you may stay or your stop loss will be below of this candle. My advice, as mother index in correction mode, so stay aside. Cash is the king. Don't take any tension. Wait and see. Without confirmation, no entry. Good luck. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.